Hello students and families, I'm going to show you really quickly how to use Flipgrid. It's a lot of fun and we're going to use it for a lot of my assignments in music class. So once you click on the link for your class, which will either be 5th grade or 4th grade, it will take you to this page that looks like this. Make sure you choose the right one for your grade level. I'll put those links with this video so you can click on it. So once you get here, you'll click log in with Google and this little box pops up and it might have your email already in there where you can just click on it, but if it doesn't, it'll pop up where you can type in your email address and password, which is the same one you use for Google Classroom and everything else you log into at the school, so you could just type that in. But if it's right there, just go ahead and click on it. And then it brings you here. It shows you a little assignment. So if I'm going to complete this assignment, I'm going to scroll down to responses and click the green button with the plus. And you're going to see my face. Woo! So a little video box pops open and you can see your face. Woohoo! And so you're not recording yet. You have to click this button to record. You can add little decorations and things if you want. Just for fun. If you are really shy and you want to like cover up your face, you can do that with an emoji. But just so you know, the only people viewing these videos are going to be myself and other students that are signing into the class using their email, just people at our school. Another thing you can do is you can add little filters to make it look cool. Or again, if you're shy, this is a good one, the little alien guy. And that's under that little globe button there, little alien guy. That makes you all pixelated. That turns everything off. So anyway, you record your little video. It gives a little countdown. And then you can record, woo! If you want to pause it and stop and record again, you can. You would just click that to record again. If you want to redo it, you click the little trash can. When you're ready, you can click next. And then it previews for you. It plays it over so you can make sure it's good. You can add more if you want. If you want to X out, start over, you can. If you're all good with everything, you click next again. And then you get to take a little selfie. And you can add stickers and stuff to that too if you want. It's really just a little picture that shows up with your video. It's not super important. Then when you're done with that, you click next. And then it says, don't close the window, preparing your video. And so it loads. And then please leave your name as whatever your name is. I'm fine with just the first letter of your last name unless you want to type it out. And if I do ask that you put whatever your homeroom teacher's name is, so if you're in Miss Elam's class, put that there beside your name just so I remember who's in whose class. It makes it easier for me. You can put a title if you need to. If I didn't say anything about that, don't worry about it. And then you'll click submit. And it says, congrats, blah, 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 blah. And you click complete. And then your response is in there along with everyone else's. And congratulations, you've done your first assignment. Woo! If you have any questions, let me know on Dojo or Google Classroom or whatever. And I'll see you guys later.